Hey there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. My name is Christina, and today I am going to be doing a cash envelope stuffing of $450, I think it is. So let's jump right into it. I have my cash here in this bag. I did get this off of Amazon, which I showed in an Amazon haul, and I'm really loving these bags. I've been using them just to store cash if I need to do a deposit, or if I have cash for a cash envelope stuffing like this. I do have these linked down below if you're interested, but I've been loving using these bags. So I'll start by just getting my cash set up here. I am stuffing this money because it is actually birthday money. I just recently had a birthday here on the 14th of January, so I got some cash from my father and some other folks for my birthday, but most of this is from my father. So I wanted to make sure that I got it stuffed and didn't just kind of squander it, since I do have some goals that I'm working toward. So I just want to count my cash and make sure that I have what I'm supposed to. It should be a total of $450. So I have 200 in $100 bills, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60 in 20s, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 in 10s. So that is $450. So I do have my cash envelope stuffing plan here next to me. So it was a total of $540 that I received as birthday money, but I was doing $120 into my personal, but I did already spend some of that for some things that I wanted, so that adjusts the actual amount down to $30. And that's how we got the $450 that we're stuffing today. So I'm gonna start with my personal envelope. Since this is birthday money, I did make sure to put some towards personal and, you know, get a few things that I actually wanted, which were books and a planner cover for my reading journal, which I'm super excited about. So I am going to be stuffing $30 into personal, and it looks like I put 3 10s for that. So I have 10, 20, 30 going into personal, and I don't really count my cash when I stuff. I like to do that separately, so you'll probably see a cash counting video here coming up soon, probably after I do my next paycheck budget cash stuffing. Next, I am going to put some cash. Let's see if there's anything else for this wallet. There is not. So next, I wanted to put a little bit of cash into vacation. I know that this is birthday money, but a vacation is for my kiddo and myself. So I want to make sure that I am putting some cash in here because this is, you know, important to get funded if we want to do the 2 big trips that I want to do this year out of our vacation fund. So I'm doing $30, and I'm doing a 20 and a 10. So I will put that here into vacation. And anything else in here, I think zoo trips, yes. So zoo trips, I'm putting $10. So I'll just do a $10 bill going into zoo trips. Perfect. And then I think that's it for this binder. Then coming to this one, I am going to do $20 into fun money, which is right here. So I am going to do a $20 bill for this one. I'll just stick that right in here. And then let's grab this binder here. And I'm going to be doing $10 into credit card. So I'll find credit card, and I'll put $10 into this one with a $10 bill. And then my last one is going to be my new car fund. I am putting a total of $350, which should be 3 10s, 6 20s, and 2 100s. So that gives me 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 350 going into my new car fund. And that is that. So super excited that I was able to use this birthday money to go towards some really important areas. I just want to make sure that I write down what was actually stuff. So for vacation, I did do $30. For credit card, I did do 10. For zoo trips, I did 10. For new car fund, that was $350. And for fun money, I stuffed $20 today. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this cash envelope stuffing. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please let me know in the comments down below. And be sure to get subscribed. I'll be sharing videos not only of my personal budget and cash stuffing videos, but also some tips and tricks to help you make your money thrive in 2025 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!